What's going on, guys? Almost forgot this was a separate video, but in this video I'm installing the catch can. Right now I'm currently clear coating my Anvil carbon fiber spoiler out here, and I'm going to install the catch can in between coats. And I also have my carbon fiber steering wheel in here that I'll be installing later. Just gotta go wait on my brother to go pick up a adapter for me. But I will have this in a separate video and the spoiler in a separate video if y'all want to go check those out. This is the 6th gen mild catch can radiator mount too. This is the first catch can I've ever installed, so I'm gonna be going off of their thing. I've already kind of opened it. I'll just be alright. This thing looks, I mean, I can understand why these things are almost double, triple the price of other catch cans. Like, I mean, this thing is nice. Let's see. Put the washer on. There's also, yep. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's good. It's pretty tight. Oh yeah, the thing ain't moving. I guess let's go ahead and I can remove this hose. I also redid my, oh come on, whole PCV with this hose because it just cleaned up the engine bay a lot better. Not this one. This is actually what come with the Manifold from Fast Tech Performance. This hose is what I changed, and I rerouted it all. So I'm gonna go ahead and mount the catch can in. I might need this. think that's it. I'm gonna replace these manifold bolts because I had to replace one and they sent me a 7 when my car came factory with 10s, and all I can find is 7s. So I'm gonna replace them all to 7s. If I'm gonna have one different, I'm gonna have them all 7s. So let me do that real quick too, and then we can check the AFRs and see if the car's running pretty good now. So while I'm under here, I had a comment and some messages about how did I have these on with the manifold. Well, I'll be able to show you once these are off, so I can get to these. Come on. So first, you've got to completely Dremel the other one off on the driver's side for this piece. Make sure you keep these the mounting bolts for those pieces, and you're basically going to get a step down bracket. I can't remember the size. I'll put it on the screen. But you're going to get that. I found them off Amazon. Was the only place I could find them, and I just bent them with some pliers to be able to go offset of this. And then you'll have to get these bolts that are the same thread as these. I'll have to find that out. Let me see. I don't know if it says it. I just got those at Home Depot. And then you're going to get the a nut to go on this bolt to sandwich it on the bracket. That's how I was able to do that. But let's see. So yeah, you can see there's my 7 and all the rest are 10s. So I'm going to replace all those. Alright, so guys, finally got everything done. Got all the intake manifold bolts on. Catch can is in. Everything's zip tied. I had to do a quick cut because the camera was about to die. It was literally at 1% when I checked it. So I let it charge while I kind of just put everything back together. It's pretty simple putting it back together, honestly. So I haven't cranked it yet to see if the AFRs are good. I also wanted to mention, I realized as I was putting this on, I forgot to mention this. If you're wanting this cover on, you also have to shave like an angle right here so you can have enough room for that fuel line hose right there. But I'm about to crank up the car, see if the AFRs are good, make sure the car's running good, did everything right. So let's find out moment of truth. Looks like we're running really good. We're right there in the 14-15 range. I want to be right there at 14.7. The instructions for it, I will say, were a little confusing on the website, but I figured it out. I hope that this video helps you if you're also struggling to read the instructions. I'm glad that I went with the radiator mount. I just think it looks cleaner. I didn't want to put it over here in this corner. I thought it would look good right there, but also didn't want it on top of the headers. So, but anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please check out my other videos. Soon I'll have the video up for the carbon fiber steering wheel and the carbon fiber spoiler, and I have other videos planned. If you have something specific you want to see me do, please leave it in the comments and I'll try my best to see if I can make a video for it, and I'll answer any questions that you guys have for my build. And hope you enjoy watching me work on my stuff, and thanks for watching.